So we're going to be making these mini books today. They're very easy to make, and then you can use them for many different purposes. So today we're going to use it to fill this glass ornament. These are just generic glass ornaments that you can buy in pretty much any store. They're very easy to work with. The top comes right off, and then you can put it right back in, and then we'll put the books inside. But I'll show you that at the end. So to make these books, you can go ahead and go to my Facebook page with the link below, and you'll have the template for them. All you do is you pick out which books you want. So I'm going to do, I love this children's book, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, so I'm going to use that one. So cut out the cover that you want. Now if you want to create these yourself with maybe a favorite book you have, the ones that I'm using today, I mean, they're all a little bit different depending on the cover, but for the most part, they measure 4.5 centimeters by 2.7 centimeters. So make sure you have it trimmed exactly how you want it. And then you're going to take plain paper. You're going to go ahead and fold the book in half. And you're going to line up your book like so that you have the right size pages. Just use a straight edge, like so. Draw your straight line. And then go ahead and cut. And then you're just going to do an accordion fold. Make sure it's the same size. And you want it to be the same size as your book, maybe a smidgen less so that the cover's a smidgen bigger. So it'll be like that for me. And then once you have the first measurement, it goes very fast. That's going to be the size for mine. And then you just go ahead and then use that first one for the measurement of your accordion fold. And then you're just going to fold it back and forth, like so. And you just want it to, you're just making it look like there's pages in your book. Obviously, they're just blank. That one's not exact, so then just cut off your extra, like so. And then you put them inside, like so. You see that's like, and trim it up the way you need to trim it. And then you're just going to go ahead and glue the cover on. And you'll do that for as many books as you want. But that's how easy it really is. Fold as many books as you want. Then you're going to go ahead and put it and stuff it inside the glass ornament. Once you put it inside, you will not be able to get them back out. That's why it's very important to make them fairly small. Oh, I love that little hungry caterpillar that could. It's one of my favorite children's books. And you can decide how many books you want as a total. It's totally up to you. You can do them all. You can do some of them. While I'm doing this, it would be a great time for you to like and subscribe to my channel and make a comment about maybe what some of your favorite books are and what you did with your ornament. So once they're all in, you could also add, if you wanted, some beads or some confetti, totally up to you. I'm going to leave mine fairly plain. Then the top is very easy to put back on. You just squeeze the metal and it just goes right back into place. Now I'm going to add some ribbon. Again, this is all optional. How you want to decorate is totally up to you. But I like to tie a ribbon right here. I'll tie it in a knot, like so. And then I'm going to add a few beads, but again, totally up to you if you want to leave it plain, just a bow, some beads. So I always have a lot of beads on hand. A really good way to get beads is if you just go to garage sales and get some, find costume jewelry and cut it apart. That's where a lot of these beads actually came from. So then you're going to go ahead and thread whichever beads you want. I kind of like these really bright red ones. It may be hard to get the ribbon through. If it is, you can find a pen or a needle or something and just, this has a top to it, and just try to shove it through, like so. And then just tie something on the bottom so it doesn't come through. You can do a bunch of beads, just one, totally up to you. And I think I'm going to do another red one. This one may be a little higher up. This is really the hardest part of the project, is trying to thread this ribbon through. You could also use twine. That'd be a really nice idea. You want a little bit more of a rustic look. But just find something to help you put it through. And this one I'm going to tie a bit higher up, just to give it a little bit more interest.